Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve mute notifications on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Picsart app. Then you will enter to first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can update your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.